Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Delta Children Canton Toddler Bed, a GreenGuard Gold certified product designed for toddlers transitioning from a crib to a big kid bed. This bed is special because it meets strict chemical emission standards, ensuring a healthier sleep environment for your little one, and is perfect for parents seeking a safe and comfortable bed for their child. Let me break down the specs. The Delta Children Canton Toddler Bed has a sturdy wood construction with a weight capacity of 50 pounds, a length of 53 inches, a width of 29.5 inches, and a height of 31.5 inches. The bed features a low-profile design with a floor clearance of 3.5 inches and a mattress platform made of solid wood. The bed is made from sustainable New Zealand pine wood and has a non-toxic finish. It has a simple and sleek gray color that fits with any nursery decor. The bed requires assembly, but it comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions. The recommended mattress size is 28 inches by 52.5 inches, and it is not included with the bed. The bed meets or exceeds all applicable ASTM and CPSC standards. It has a 5-year limited warranty and is certified by the Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association. The GreenGuard Gold certification ensures that the bed meets strict standards for chemical emissions and VOCs. The bed is designed for toddlers aged 15 months to 5 years and has a maximum weight capacity of 50 pounds. In real-world use, the Delta Children Canton Toddler Bed has been a great option for many parents. The bed is easy to assemble, and the instructions are clear and concise. The bed feels sturdy and well-made, and the low-profile design makes it easy for toddlers to get in and out of bed. The bed has a smooth and glossy finish that is easy to clean, and the gray color fits well with any nursery decor. The bed has a firm and sturdy mattress platform that provides excellent support for the mattress. The bed is also very quiet, and the wooden slats provide excellent ventilation for the mattress. Real-world reviews praise the Delta Children Canton Toddler Bed for its sturdy construction, easy assembly, and affordable price. Many parents love the fact that the bed is made from sustainable materials and has a non-toxic finish, giving them peace of mind when it comes to their child's safety. Additionally, the bed's low-profile design makes it easy for toddlers to get in and out of bed, reducing the risk of accidents. However, some users report that the bed could be a bit tricky to assemble, and the instructions could be clearer. Others also mentioned that the bed could benefit from a more comfortable and padded mattress platform.